W208 convertible. Since having it, I've already done a few bits to it already. All the interior was, well, it didn't really have an interior, it was covered in mould. Window was broken. Picked it up for a bargain really, I paid £300 for it. Only got one key with it. But the service history on the thing's incredible. Literally incredible. So it's currently sat on 82,000 miles, I think it's got on it. Which is nothing, literally nothing for a car at this age. But it's been to main dealer literally most of its life. It was obviously very well looked after at some point in its life. I picked it up off of a friend who had it for about a year or so, and then the window got broken and it sat on his parents' driveway just getting destroyed. So I basically gave him scrap money for it, went and stuck a battery on it, and thing fired straight up. Got it put on the back of my house, and it just literally sat right over there for about 8 months really. Done the rear brakes on it, just new set of pads. Like I said, changed the window, cleaned the interior up. Bodywork's not too bad. I'll walk you around the car in a minute, but it's the service history. It's incredible. It's even got receipts for tax and stuff. And it used to have a tax disc in the window before they changed the laws in the UK. Even got the original old school MOTs, ones with the watermarks on them. It's even got his very first MOT that it ever had. You know, quite rare for a car of this age to even have half of this stuff still with it. But the plan was to sort it out and sell it, but been busy with work and obviously playing with the XJR and stuff like that. Just haven't had time. It's just been sat in the corner doing literally nothing. Just literally sat there deteriorating. But the way I see it is, it's not leaking anymore. It's dry inside. There's no more mould. The window's fixed. Started going around cleaning up the seats. Like I said, I'll bring you in a minute. You come and have a look. The roof doesn't work. I got it. None of the windows or anything were working at all when I got it. So I managed to fix those. Some relays had gone, sticky switches. I reset the windows so they do when you shut the door, they do the little pop up and down thing. And then just started cleaning the interior up really. Like I said, put a new set of rear pads on it. Just got the thing jacked up, started taking the front brakes apart, waiting for some discs to turn up, because I originally only got some pads for it, because like I said, I was going to do a quick flip on it and get rid of it. So I thought, well, I ain't going to go too mad with it. I just put a new set of pads all round, set of drop links on the front, done the oil filter, air filter already, and then literally that's all I was going to do. I was just going to tidy it up, MOT it, chuck it out in the paper, probably make 800 or 900 quid on it at least. But like I said, busy, sat around doing nothing. Now it's time. I need to start doing something with it, because I might actually keep it for a while and use it during winter, because the Jaguar, I've got a couple more videos coming up on that before the winter hits, but I don't want to use that in the winter over here. UK winter kills cars, all the salt, water. Now it's way too clean and tidy to be doing that too, so that's going to end up going in storage or staying on the drive, but in one of those carcoon sort of covers with the fans and stuff that go over it. So, you know, there's no way I'm using that for the winter, but I need a vehicle for winter to get to and from, and you know, this doesn't owe me a lot of money, and I don't mind really using this over winter. If it gets a little bit more battered than what it is, then so be it. But like I said, back to service history, just stacks and stacks, and each one of these folders here is just full of just everything it's ever had or needed being done to it. Mercedes-Benz main dealer up until 69,000 miles, and like I said, it's currently sat on 82 or 83,000, something like that. So quite impressed really. It's a bit of a bargain for the money. I think my mate I got it off thought it was virtually beyond repair because of how bad the interior was and how bad he let it get. But you know, anything's repairable. And this is the original interior, isn't it? It just got deep cleaned. Like I said, I've got the windows and everything working, relays and that were gone. Reset the roof, but it doesn't get stuck. It just won't lift. And then ripped the panel in the boot apart to get to the pump. You can hear it's just one of the like the actuators on the pump itself. There's multiple actuators that sit on the top of them. I think they're just gone. But I found a second-hand pump that one of my friends actually has in one of these that he's got in his yard that he's breaking, which is known working. So he's already put it aside for me. And it's just been one of those jobs that I get around and do. But like I said, it's for the mileage. And for the fact to pay £300 for a running, driving, convertible Mercedes with 83,000 miles on the clock with full service history, you know, it'd be stupid not to buy it really.